How to add students to Google Classroom, especially for younger students. Having the class code projected for students who are having trouble watching the board and then finding the right key on the keyboard and then keeping things all in the right order can be a little bit tricky. So for grades 1 and 2, I usually do a different trick. I click on people here up at the tabs at the top of Google Classroom. And students, if I go across to the right-hand side where there's like a person with a plus and it says invite students, I can click on there and I can type in student email addresses. So for example, I can put in, and then I click on there. All I would have to do is say invite. So now this student's been invited to the Google Classroom. Now, if I take myself out and I show you how it looks on my student account, then you can see how that looks and I can show you the student part of it. So here I'm sending one to my own student account. And if I go into the student version and I refresh it, it should come up the way I need it. So it asks me if I want to join. I'm going to say yes. So now it's just joining and then I'm part of it. Sometimes when you have one class here, so all I did to get back here was I clicked on here, there's the class I was in and I went back to classes to get to this home page. If I already have one class and say the French teacher wants me to join or another teacher, there may be another box here similar to this one, but at the bottom there would be a blue join button and a student would just need to click on that.